Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Whirlpool brand top loader washing machine. I'm going to explain to you because my customers asking how to select always direct spin cycle, otherwise final spin cycle. Now I'm going to show you how to select the final spin cycle and we will go to the next step. I'm going to show you the model. This is the model. This is the model 3LWTW4705FW1. This is the model. Now I'm going to show you. This is agitator system top loader washing machine. Now here no need to do any selection here. I'm going to select. Now you can see here I already selected here drain and spin cycle. You can see whatever all the selection, all the options are here. Now here you can see start, stop, pause / unlock lid, hold 3 seconds to cancel. This is the start pause button. Now I already selected here drain and spin cycle. Now we have to press this one. Now you can see here after pressing all the lights will blink, only the lid lock, that means door lock, is not blinking, it should come to red light. Now you can see here sensing, it's still sensing, this light always green color it will blink, other 4 colors that means watch, rings, final spin and cycle complete, all 4 lights are stable, it's not blinking, but only this light is blinking, you can see. Now what we have to do, we have to press one time here. After that the lid already locked. Now we have to wait 3 seconds. After that if door lock will disappear again, it will come unlock. We have to wait. Now you can hear the noise. Now its motor already start. Now one time door lid here, one time its door lid already is open. Again it's only this light. Now you can see it's already sensing. After that it already came to final spin cycle. Already lid locked. Now you can hear the noise. The machine already got start final spin cycle. I cannot show you, I cannot open the door. Now machine start. Now I think you got my point. Now I think you know how to do that. Again I will show you. I will press here again. Machine will get stopped. You can see here final spin already blinking but stable lid lock. Again we have to press and hold 3 seconds. Now you can see if all the lights are gone, only the lid lock remaining, that is stable. Now here already I didn't change the drain and spin cycle. Now again I will press here. Now you can see after pressing it's already gone. Now again I will show you from the beginning. You have to turn it, select the switch, drain and spin cycle. Again I'm going to show you. You have to turn here drain and spin cycle. After that you have to press one time here, and after pressing one time all 4 lights will blink. Only this sensing light will blink, but other 4 lights are stable, that means watch, rings and final spin and cycle complete. Still door lid not locked, that means it is open still. After locking, it will come red color. I will press one time here. You can see after pressing, its lid lock already came here and sensing field on the blinking light. Now it's sensing door lock again disappear. That's been unlocked. Again it will come automatically. Here it came automatically. Now only final spin already selected. Now machine will start spin cycle. Now machine start already, you can see here. This is the way how to select final spin, otherwise direct spin cycle with this model, Whirlpool brand. This is US brand actually, top loader washing machine. Now machine start. Now within 10 minutes machine will get stopped already. That's been the ending cycle. After that it will show here cycle complete. I will show you. We will wait until finish this program. Now you can see, dear friend. Now it is already door lid open. That's been door already unlocked. Final spin cycle finished. Now it's showing cycle complete. This is the way how to select final spin cycle. Now while you try to open the door, this light will disappear. Now I'm opening the lid. At the same time, you can see, at the same time light will disappear. You can see here, it is already gone. That is the way how to select final spin cycle with Whirlpool brand top loader washing machine. Now I think you know how to select direct spin cycle, otherwise final spin cycle with the Whirlpool brand top loader washing machine. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.